we will talk about the benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. But before that, let us know what is multimedia and ICT. So what is multimedia? Multimedia is a form of communication that combines different content forms such as text, audio, animation, or video into a single interactive presentation. What is ICT? ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It is the technology that helps to collect, examine, categorize, sort, summarize, compute, store, and distribute or communicate information. Now let's proceed to the benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. Benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. It provides opportunities for students to learn by the benefits of being able to access different informations which is beneficial for learning. Next is, these days, all it takes to obtain information is a click, simply by entering the required search terms and executing the search commands. Numerous resources for formation would be modified to satisfy your taste, and the information needed will be easier and faster to access for educational purposes. One of the reasons why multimedia is a necessary tool in learning 21st century is the flexibility in using various media to live. And lastly, it improves the quality of learning. So those are the benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. Furthermore, these benefits enable us to enhance many aspects of our lives in order to make them easier and better.